We're here on West Campus. This is student housing for our wonderful kids at the University of Texas, Hook'em Horns. As a building owner or maintenance manager, if you start to see this amount of granular loss, that's a problem with your roof. As you can see, it's moving around, exposing the substrate to the elements. And you know, here in Central Texas, as hot as it gets, with some of the extreme cold weather events we get, that's gonna be a problem. So what we've done is come in and start applying what we call fleece back. It's 80 mil thick. It's designed to overlay this very specific system. We're using Versico. Our Versico reps will come out, verify installation was done correctly, and they'll be providing that 20-year NDL. So one of the challenges you face when you're working on these type of roofing systems, having to get under these AC units. As you can see over here, we've got an AC unit suspended to get the TPO under it and then gently break it down without compromising the solder joints of the copper lines. The last thing we want to do is break these old brittle soldering joints that are going to release the refrigerant into the atmosphere, something that's a big no-no according to the EPA and everybody else on the planet. So as a building owner or maintenance manager, if you have this roof systems, you have any questions and concerns about its dryness, give us a call for a free inspection.